Bulea. Who knows who I am? Not a believer in the mosque am I, nor a disbeliever with his rites am I. I am not the pure amongst the impure. Neither Moses nor Pharaoh am I. Bulea, who knows who I am? Neither made from earth nor water, nor am I in air or fire to be found. Bulea, who knows who I am? Not an Arab nor Lahori, not a Hindi or Nagori, nor a Muslim or Peshawari, not a Buddhist or a Christian. Bulea, who knows who I am? From first to last, I searched myself. None other did I succeed in knowing. Not some great thinker am I. Who is standing in my shoes alone? Bulea, who knows who I am? I am not the pure amongst the impure, neither Moses nor Pharaoh.